everyone, it's Olivia with Printing Center USA, and today I'm going to be going over our order process. You're going to first begin by either getting a quote on our website or choosing your product, uploading your files, and checking out. If you want to check out with the quote, please see our How to Get a Quote tutorial for more information on the quoting process as well as the different options we offer on the quoting tool. For this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to order a calendar, which is a popular choice among our customers. First things first, from our homepage, go ahead and navigate to the product section and select calendars. This will take you to our dedicated calendar printing page. On the right hand side, you will find our quoting tool. You will need to fill out each section to your desired end product. Once this is done, go ahead and choose the Order and Upload Files Now. This is going to redirect us to the file upload process. There will be 3 steps for this. First thing I'm going to do is upload my file from my computer. I can either drop the files here, paste, browse from my desktop, or import from Google Drive, Dropbox, or my device, whichever works best for you. If there is more than one file needed, I can click on the plus button here to continue to add as many files as I need. Now that I have my file ready, I'm going to click on the Upload One File button. Depending on the size of your file or how many files you have, it can take a few minutes for your files to upload to the system. However, once it is done, you will see a check mark saying complete, and you can click on the I am done uploading option. Now that the system has finished its review, it has ran a thorough 43-point inspection on my file. The inspection checks for a plethora of issues like fonts not being embedded, page count not matching the order, and more. If there are any issues on your end like my file, you will see a big red exclamation point. On the right hand side of this, there will be a box that says Detect and Correct. For my file, it is saying photo resolution too low. If I click this alert, it will give me a few more details like which page this is on. If you get this error, please know that anything below the recommended DPI of 300 will be flagged by the system as low resolution. To address this, you can either select OK to print all images, acknowledging that there's a risk of some images printing blurry, or you can upload a new file to combat this issue. If you come across an error you're unable to fix or you're a little unsure about, please give us a call. We're here to assist and can easily help you troubleshoot and guide you through the necessary fixes. Now that I've fixed my issues, I can go over to the preview of my file. This is my instant proof. Everything you see here is exactly how your file will go to print. If a PDF proof is selected on the order, this is almost identical to what you will receive from your technical service representative. You will notice 2 lines on your file right now, a blue and a pink line. The blue line is the trim line. This is exactly where we will trim your product down to size. The pink line is the safety line. This is where we ask all important text and elements to be inside of, so it is at not risk of being cut off. Since this is my proof, I will need to go through each of my pages diligently to make sure everything looks good to go. I have gone through my full calendar, but notice there is a page out of order. The cool thing about this feature is I can drag and drop my images to place them somewhere else in the calendar. If need be, I can also delete a page. After you're done, simply click Save My Changes and the system will reorder your pages. However, it can take a few minutes to save as it will run it through the inspection again. If the system previously flagged your file for low resolution and you selected OK to print all images, you will need to click this again, as it is like you're starting over. Now that I'm happy with my file for print, I will add this to my cart. I am now in my cart. I am going to review my specifications once more just to ensure everything is correct for print. I will have to add a job name. This is required to proceed to the next step. On my end, everything looks good, so I will proceed to checkout. When clicking on this, you will need to make sure you're logged into your account. There's not a guest option for this, so if it is your first time, you will need to register to the site in order to continue. From here, we are going to finalize the shipment details, pricing, and your cart information. First things first is the shipping and billing address. It will automatically have your default address selected. If this is not correct, you can click the change address option and it will list all of the addresses you've used with us previously. If this is a new address, you will need to add this to the system. Now I will be reviewing shipping. This will default to ground. Please click the drop-down menu to see the other options. Next to each option, there will be a price as well as an estimated delivery date. Right now, this is the last moment to review specifications, so you'll just want to make sure everything looks correct. Below this is an option for job notes and comments. If you would like your customer service representative to know anything about your order, please note it here. This is especially important if you're working on a deadline. At the bottom are the payment methods. PayPal and Afterpay will prompt you to log into their site and complete the transaction there. The credit card type-in will not be available to fill out until complete order has been selected. I will agree to the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy to move forward. Now that my order has been placed, right off the bat, I will see that my order was received and I have a 6-digit number. This is my order number. This is completely unique to this order, and anything to do with this order will be underneath this number. If I scroll down just a bit, I can see where my order is at. Right now, I'm waiting on a proof. You should also receive an email confirmation. This is going to be everything to do with your order, the order details, the address, as well as your customer service representative's phone number and email, just in case you need to contact them with any questions or concerns about the order. I received an email notification that my proof was ready to be reviewed. I went ahead and clicked on the email and it brought me to my account. Now that I'm here, I see 2 buttons, approve or reject. To see the proof, I will need to click on my name. This is going to open up the proof in a new tab. This should look like the instant proof we saw earlier. I've reviewed this and now it looks good to go. I'm going to go ahead and click on approve. Now that I have approved my proof, it is letting me know that production will start in 1 business day. It's important to remember that production begins according to your proof approval. So if it is approved before 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, production starts the following business day. If it is after 3, production will start the day after next. However, if I do want to track the location of my order, I can check this anytime in my account by going to the order details. I do want to let you guys know that it doesn't go to print before getting looked over by a few people. We do make sure there are no red flags on our end and we don't notice anything of concern. We do know what to look for, so don't worry, you're not going into this order process blind. We want your product to turn out exactly how you envision, so we do keep an eye out for things. With that in mind, if you don't hear from us after your order is placed and the proof is approved, don't worry, no news is good news. The next time you will hear from us is with an email notification that your order has shipped. This is going to give you the tracking information as well, just so you can keep up with it. We will also let you know when it gets delivered, as well as following up with a text message, just to make sure you are completely and 100% happy with your order. We do have a satisfaction guaranteed policy, so if there is something not right or you are just not happy, please give us a call so we can discuss the details and a possible solution with you. That's the complete process of ordering with us. It's just as easy as that. So with just a few clicks, you're on your way to having a beautiful custom print delivered to your doorstep. As always, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below or give us a call.
Get online, pick a design, print in no time.